Hello little friends. Welcome to our amazing quiz Guess the Animals by the Shadow. Today, we will guess what animals are hiding in the dark silhouettes. Ready for an adventure? Then let's go. Round 1. 6 questions. Africa. What is this animal? This is an elephant. What is this animal? This is an ostrich. What is this animal? This is a lion. What is this animal? This is a rhinoceros. What is this animal? This is a gorilla. What is this animal? This is a zebra. Round 2. 6 questions. Taiga. What is this animal? This is a brown bear. What is this animal? This is a squirrel. What is this animal? This is a wolf. What is this animal? This is a deer. What is this animal? This is a hedgehog. What is this animal? This is a hare.